Bullish Theta organization cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.44 and $8.38 by 2030. Market investigators accept Theta could reach $3.45 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 78 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local digital money is likewise called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two kinds of hubs on the Theta organization: normal hubs and asset-rich gatekeeper hubs. Standard hubs acquire awards for sharing their assets, while Watchman hubs procure much bigger prizes for checking blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the critical highlights of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client as opposed to at a unified area. This lessens inactivity and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferred streaming encounter over conventional CDNs. One more significant component of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with negligible effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web clog by circulating traffic among different ways all the while. How Theta functions. The principal thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video real-time stage like YouTube or Jerk. It's likewise a decentralized organization fueled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share data transmission and figuring assets on a P2P premise. All in all, Theta is intended to be a more proficient and decentralized approach to web-based video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can decrease inertness and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet chips away at an agreement system that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards, the stage furnishes great streams with low inactivity, and clients can acquire prizes for giving data transfer capacity asset. The group behind Theta is capable and has major areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. The Theta organization vows to reform the manner in which we transfer video by decentralizing information conveyance and offering clients prizes for sharing their data transmission assets. The local digital money of the organization is Theta token, which can be utilized to approve exchanges and stake in the organization. I'll see Theta's cost expectations for 2022 and then some. Theta organization is as of now worth 98 cents USD. Theta has moved 1.95% as of now with an exchanging volume of $10,710,490. Theta organization is as of now positioned 51 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $986,347,602 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Theta organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Theta organization value expectation 2023. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Theta cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1.48. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.38 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progression. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.18. Theta organization value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Theta organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.47. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Theta's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.97 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.17. Theta organization value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.45 and Theta might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.16 and a low of $2.96 in 2025. Theta organization value expectation 2026. Assuming Theta organization effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.44, with a base cost of $3.95 and a typical cost of $4.14. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.13 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.93 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Theta has a greatest value worth of $5.42. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.12. On the off chance that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.41. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.92. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $6.90 and a yearly cost close above $7.40 in 2029. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Theta Organization will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $7.89 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $8.38, averaging out at $8.09. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Theta cost in 2031 is projected to be $9.67 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $9.27. The ongoing Theta Organization cost depends on an investigation of different elements, including specialized pointers and late market patterns. In light of our gauges, we accept that the Theta Organization coin cost will keep on ascending soon and arrive at new all-time highs. What is the Theta Organization cost today? Today, Theta Organization is exchanging at 98 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $986,347,602. Is Theta Organization a wise speculation? Theta Organization ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that Theta is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Theta at any point organize go? The typical cost of Theta Organization might potentially reach $1.38 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Theta Organization might outperform $6.41.